welcome to another episode of Knock Maths Out the Park with me, Mr. Clark. Today we are looking at part 2 of 3-digit takeaway, 3-digit subtraction, the tricky part. Now, this is when we face a problem like, let's put one up. So 703 take away 245. Now, the one thing that's going to cause us problems here is this 0, and we'll get to that in just a little second, okay? So I wanted to make a separate video just to explain this. So, set my numbers out, larger number on top, smaller number on the bottom, one number per box as usual, HTU to show my hundreds, tens, units, draw on my equal signs, so fresh and so clean. Okay, so now let's start as always, on to my units. So 3 take away 5. Can I do it? No, I can't. There's more on the floor, so I go next. Wait a second. There's nothing next door. There's nothing that I can take from there. So the answer to this one is you have to go next door again. Now we come to our hundreds. We're going to take 100, and that becomes 600. Now what we can't do with this is we can't take that 100 straight over to the units. We can only take it next door. So we take the 100 we borrowed and we put it here. Now that becomes 10 tens, which is the same as 100. Okay, so we've taken our 100 over and we've put it in our tens column. So we've now got 10 tens. Now you might be thinking that still doesn't help me solve this, but now we can go next door into our tens and we can take. So we're going to take a 10 off this 10 tens, and that leaves me with 9 tens. I'm going to take my 10 over, and now I've got 13 in my units. So 13 take away 5 is 8. 9 tens take away 4 tens is 5 tens. 600 take away 200 is 400. So as you can see, the problem is a little bit trickier. There was nothing to take from the tens, so we went into our hundreds. We took that from the hundreds and put it into the tens. Then we take from the tens and put it into the units. It takes a little while, but eventually we will knock it out the ballpark. If you're unsure, watch the video again and just have a little closer look, okay? Well, I've managed it, so I, myself, am one step closer to becoming the Beyonce of maths, and please remember, subscribe, please. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.